Now, let's take a look at this. As you can see on Google right now, I type ChatGPT. ChatGPT Open AI. From there, I can bring my title and ask ChatGPT question, and ChatGPT will give me results about what I need. Most likely, I'm making a video about a car, so that's why I copy the title of the car and I come to ChatGPT and I ask ChatGPT to generate me a video script. As you can see here, that's why I've been doing. I'm scrolling down on my project right there, and that's why you can do too if you prefer to do so. So now ChatGPT give me a script. As you can see, I'm going to copy that script and go to a tool called Quillbot. As you can see right here, I paste it into Quillbot, and Quillbot will give me a brand new article or a brand new video script that I can generate. As I've been generating that, I copy it. I copy the brand new article. That means my article, not your article or the video article that I copied and paste off. So now I'm bringing it to another tool called 11 Lab. So first of all, I'm typing google.com. As you can see right there, 11lab.io, and 11lab.io will give me this right here.
Movie explores
So
the possibilities
I can
of
record
customizing
any
the
voice
exterior
over it,
and inside
any voice that please me. I just put the voice that please me on it. As you can see right there, I am putting the voice over it. After that, I can go to this down arrow and download it to my computer, and then I will copy it and go to Canva with it. As you can see right there, and the next slide here, I will show you how I get started to it. As you can see, I'm still here. I'm still here. I'm going to type google.com as usual. And from there, I'm going to type youtube.com. I'm going to YouTube here and looking for luxury cars. Any luxury cars that come up, I copy it. Most likely I go on luxury cars, I pick one of those, and after I pick one of those channels that I see that I like, and I went to filter. I've been usually go to filter, as you can see right here, and I can look for year, car from years, car from, any upload video from a year, upload video from week, upload video from months. I choose which one I know most likely best and my favorite. So now I'm just gonna pick one, and after I pick on it, you will see that I go to the channel. Just take a look. Yes, as you can see here, I went to the channel and I will go to the most popular videos, and then I will choose within 1 year, or 2 year or 3 year or 6 months. It depends which one is most popular or I like. And after that, I will just copy and paste that title, like I said, and I go to ChatGPT, OpenAI, and paste it there, and ChatGPT AI will generate me that video. Okay? So after that, I copy and paste that video, and I have it ready. My voice is ready. My video is there. And I will just come here to the next tool, which is Canva, that I've been using. Okay? So you will see in a few minutes, in a few seconds actually, I will use canva.com to help me to combine my footage, most likely my gaps, my footage, my record, which is my voiceover. And as you can see here, I log to canva.com, create my account, and here we are. And first of all, I go to elements. Then after elements, I go to upload, and I click upload. Wherever that I've been already store my footage and my records, and I just go back and get them up, and I will combine the footage here. I will show you exactly how I've been doing it.
In my eyes, one
And
of the
as you can
best
see
looking
right there,
DBSs and
we are
soft top
here
cars that you can
taking the one of the video that have been copied, one of the footage. So I put it right here. As you can see, this one already. I put it right here, and I measure it from here. I drag it from the corner to corner, and make sure it's fitted, and make sure I get any footage of this copy and paste video from YouTube, and I will just separate them by segments. I go here, right here, I cut it by segments, as you can see right here. And then I go to the right here and measure it to 10 seconds. And after I measure it to 10 seconds for each and every scene, and after I measure it, I will bring the voiceover. I will make sure that no logos show up, and I want to make sure this video that I copied is my video, even though the owners can see that it showed up to his side, but it's not
in my
typically
eyes one of the
his side.
best looking
It's
DBSs
my
and
video. So actually I buy from 11 Lab my voiceover, and I make sure I put the music. If there is music or voice over that video footage, I make sure I put it on mute and make sure it's my video. So for some reason here, and I will just bring this video to life. I will say it was in a life, but I will bring it to a new life, which is in my channel. So now what I do, I mute, I cut it to 10 seconds, each segment, which is each scene, and mute the voice over or the music it's already on it, and I will always bring back another song to it, and I will bring back another music to it to make sure it is mine. So now, after I finish, As you can see here, I'm adding the transitions. So the transitions are typically here. After I'm putting the transitions, and I make sure I put the motions or the animations to it, and I will directly go
Welcome
to
to Miami Beach.
share up there, as I did not show it. Just go on share over here. That's the music that I would to take, or the audio that I already have on file, and I click on audio, which is audio, and put it here. If I have music too, I will just put it there, and after that I will just go to share to the right here and download it when I finish. And after I download it, it's ready to go to my channel or to any other social media that have been prepared. So that's all. I could say that's all. That's how I've been creating my video. I spend money for Canva to give me opportunity to bring any other channels here, any other video footage, and I paid 11 Lab to get my voiceover. And as I said, the techniques are here in 11 Lab and Canva and other platform which is I use to generate the video. As you can see here, this is how I've been creating my video to bring anything to life to the social media. So as you can see, this is how I've been preparing and making the customers or the customers, the clients, that how they can watch my footage and get views and see what they like, so they can buy anything they need. They can buy luxury home, luxury houses, luxury cars, any luxury that I've been building or any way to build. So this is how I attract my customers. So, and that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully, I do not believe there will be any mistake. And some case, if you can see anything that show up to your side, so hopefully you be understood about how the social media been working, been here, and for everyone can get over it. Most likely, you can work over it, you can talk over it, and get your business to the next level, and put your little taste to it as you know it. Put your own taste to it as you already ordered other tools that can help you begin other thing that can help you making the video or any work that you've been doing for your business, and make it in a way that people can attract and get to your business and make sales. As you know, this is all that I have for you. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.